Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Now. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat, honey. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Now. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
No. Untori promise Mary. Untori ke tonyala jwang o etsa so.
Na le tshino e qoke lu ithengelwe yimi. Na le sikosa saka Jesu.
Una mna ngibe step mother.
Ine khare blogana njana no ka.
Yes.
Ama friends ngadla.
You're so annoying.
Ezayikhuluma noma ngihamba kancane ukusalayo sizogcina nidlula la. Lesizonibamba.
Hi guys. Hey, how are you? Guys, I go around asking couples questions. I'm sorry to ambush you. I basically do a couples quiz for my YouTube channel and TikTok. Okay. Would you be okay with that? Would you be willing?
Yeah.
We're shy. Are you fine?
Yeah.
Okay, come closer. Can you just come this side? I need you guys to separate. One on my left, one on my right.
Okay.
Okay, name?
Njabulo.
Njabulo and?
Tulisile.
Tulisile, how long have you been with Njabulo?
7 months.
7 months. Still going strong?
Very strong.
Okay, girl. Njabul,
Yeah, still.
where did you meet Tulisile?
Oh, on Facebook.
Facebook?
Yeah.
Did you DM her?
Now, one DM, I send a friend request. I accept her at the same time. One check starts a kuluma like a conversation.
Tuli, go get her. Go get her.
That's showing up.
Okay, so how did it get here? You said hi, and then, like, how did you guys initiate an actual relationship?
Okay, I'm busy with ngetinvo nje letikhona. So ngibona ngathi naye beka busy ngato. Kum inbox kwami benginalo ukuthi ngifuna sichubeke nalo.
Oh.
Then sekwaba ngilespark ke.
Oh.
Sahlangana ngalendlela leyo so. Bona ngirefusile for isikhathi nyana because bengibona ngathi but ngiyabona serious. That's okay. For full 2 months solo khuluma indvo leyi1. No.
Sibone, at least. Okay, I like that. All right, what is it that you like about it, Tulisile?
Like, the way young Pachanga corner, the way corner, like, not the way we got Kuluma corner first time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Being born, which like, young feeling.
Okay. Okay, and then appearance-wise?
Like,
Sana?
conversation.
No, appearance-wise, like her look. What is it that you like about the way she looks?
No, young king.
Everything.
Like, people, yeah, she like, maybe not the phone.
Oh, wow. Julie, what is it that you like about him?
Yabona now.
Okay, girl. Okay. Do you trust him, though?
Cool.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
I can say 11.
11.
Yes.
Damn. Okay, Njabulo. On a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm not sure 9.
9.
Yeah.
Why? Isn't that more reason to not trust her?
No, angisho kanjalo mara nizinto ukuthi mhlambi angazi ukuthi wenzani makalebu. Yeah.
Oh, okay, I hear you. Guys, let me get straight to the point, eh? What we do on the show, we basically make couples switch phones, okay? So you guys switch phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApps for like 1 minute.
Okay.
Jabulo, Tuli, would you be willing?
Yes.
Oh, just like that. Jabul, you look nervous though.
I don't think my sister.
There's no issue.
Yeah.
Tuli, we'll start with yours, ne? Let him just hold the phone. My scat, we need your password. Just open it for us.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, go to her WhatsApp, ne? Okay, type love you.
It's over there.
Okay. Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Why didn't umngani wakhe ba?
Okay.
Yeah, ulera to emas.
All right.
Okay.
Delete that. Type outside. Let's see who's fetching her.
So. Okay. What does it go?
Okay.
Give me one.
Yeah. Okay. Delete that. Type ebusuku. Okay, nothing deep.
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type babe.
Babe. Yeah, film.
Hey, Sanatuli. We can see that you're about your man, okay? Okay, delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors.
Thank you. Him.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Essential.
Clean. Okay, delete that. Type test. Pregnancy test, HIV test, just anything.
I am pregnant.
Test, not pregnant.
See?
Just test.
Chest. Sevilla. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, delete that. Now you can type pregnant.
Pregnant. Akuveli umuntu sozo usiphina ngale nto.
Okay. Okay, delete that. Type morning after.
Morning after pill. Feel umuntu.
Okay, okay. All right. You can give your woman her phone back, sir. Jumps easy. Password, passcode, pattern. What's the age about?
Nick.
That is Jabulo. I'm watching you. Okay. Tulu, just do that for me. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Type love you. What are you seeing?
Okay, Amy. Angani bakhe laba ngibhodwa wakhe. Yeah.
Okay. Hit delete. Type miss you.
Okay, umngani wakhe uthi ufunde naye esikoleni. La.
Okay. Are you sure?
Usho njalo and every time uyafona manginaye so
And it's innocent.
yes.
Okay. Are you sure, girl? It's innocent conversations.
Ah, ngasho njalo.
Okay. Okay. Delete that. Type babe. Jabul, sibona izinto up. Go into the chat. Sibona izinto up. You know who you said babe to.
Jabulo,
Mom.
ungenda silima wena.
Oh,
Ngiphume eMpumalanga ngide la ngithi ngida kuwe. Uma ngifika lana ungifake eroomini. Uthengelwa ngimkonde.
Ngikuyini?
Jacket like ngimi. Ifoni yakho wena uthola ukuthi kade kade ngihlanya ngimi la.
Mama. Ayini.
Bambi. Wena ujwayela ka. Ujwayela nawe. Usikhumulele jacket ithengwe ngimi ngijwayele ka. Come on. Let's phone yami. Let's. Let's go. Don't phathela wena. Sale nalabantu bakho ubone ukuthi uyodlani wena ontela ngimi ngoba ngijwayela wena ngathi ungihlanyisa wena. Phuma eMpumalanga ungathi mina wena ngidala ngithi ngiyakuthanda kanti akutongihlanyela la. Ujwayela kabi wena.
Mama.
Masifoni tabini. Ifoni.
Sikuye, ngithathile mama.
Oh. Uyasilibaziza sana ugirl.
Madam, ngikhumbula ukuthi nawe imali uyinikwa ngini. Khumbula ukuthi nawe imali uyinikwa ngini ngisho singogibela ngathi.
Ufuna into
Wena imali uyithola kimi ngisho singogibela ngani wena. Baby yani. La usola uthi baby kuba bawufuna ungababoni. Tsho ukuthi ngimisilime sakho o mina uphopha imali kimi ngithi. Uphopha imali kimi.
Ngisho kanje.
Phapheli wena.
Baby.
Enjoy. Buka bona la ngathi ungaphuma so angikhani ukunebe ukubona.
Thuli.
Okay. Oh nyalo so yangathi ukuthi ngikhona.
No,
Udifunele we. Yathi udendile. Lo dendile akakhalelwa phuma kimi.
baby.
Phuma kimi.
Uyamcanga Njabula because you still love her or you want transport money.
Exactly ngiyabonga sis. Ngiyabonga sis.
Yeah.
Angisa understand ukuthi ufuna ukuthi abe nami ukuthi uyangithanda ubona ukuthi ngiyamendela.
Benefit.
Yathi kubeke ngami ngabe ngikhrola ngalendlela kube ngimkhipha lesikibha lesilo. Phambi kwamakhamera yini ungijwayele phambi kwabantu nihlisa ikhamera uyi-1 kancane labantu abangangijwayeli kabo wena. Ungihlanyisa wena.
Sondesami. Babe.
I'm sorry.
Lekele kuphoka ukuthi baby la ngapha kungibhendisa wena.
It's fine. We'll give you transport money. It's fine. That's clearly what you want. Relax.
No, ngiyamthanda.
But we'll give you transport money. Don't worry. Oh. Dlamini. Sitting.
Oh.
That was she just.
Uchithela umuntu wrong.
Oh. Have you ever seen so much anger on the show?
Plus umswati wakuboka phinda.
Really? Pinda, what are you? Are you sorted as well?
Phinda umswati.
Oh my gosh, Pinda's such a coconut. She's always speaking English. I never knew.
Phinda phela uphinda unama PhD ayi4.
In what?
Inwathi phinda kodwa unama PhD ayi4. Ne masters ayi1.
Okay.
Phinda English. Phinda.
Yes.
Yeah, phinda.
Pinda's a coconut. At least you can tell him, because Batu Pinda.
Yo. Ngisho officeini.
English.
English.
What are they standing there for so long?
They
They must.
They saw people fighting, so they are worried.
Oh, as long as they don't have a problem with the show, I don't want to be tested today.
No, they can't have a problem with the show. It's not their show, it's our show.
Thank you very much. Charms, give me my phone, please.
Yabo.
Please leave me alone.
Lisa. Lily. Lisa.
Don't look like me.
Ubani lo?
That's my man. It's not that deep. Every time I'm in a relationship, I make my boyfriend my wallpaper. So my wallpapers are all my, like, if you were to look at the history of my wallpapers, you can do that on an iPhone. It's all my exes.
Man,
It's not deep. Dlamini.
Yo.
Are you stressed? Are you stressed?
Aibo. Man, no, I want to understand something. Me, I'm not stressed and I'm not worried.
Okay.
And I'm not angry, I'm not upset.
Okay.
Yeah, do you know why? It's because this is not the first time this is happening.
Oh, okay.
I understand. This is not the first time and this is not the last time.
Oh, okay.
Lo ngiyazi ukuthi awuye emshadweni naye.
Okay.
La isikhathi sakhe sizophela uzohamba. I know sizophela. I know.
That's my man. That's my future baby daddy, please.
La kuna future baby daddy la. Yabona this one. Ake liphela futhi iviki liningi. Okay, uqale ngithola naye. Because this is not the same person you told me about the last time. This is not one.
What did I do? What was the last?
The one you lied. The one you lied to him.
Oh no, it's not.
This is not. Yeah, so I know ukuthi lo usase fresh.
Not really.
So senisikhathi singanani?
We actually dated in 2018.
Nansi indaba yakho. Thank you ngiyabonga when you talk like this. Yes, there's something about Ulisa and nama boyfriend wakhe. Ulisa, it's not new people. Yilaba babuya kudala. Ama ex 2014 or 2018.
Not 2014.
2008 yiba babuya.
Yes, so silly.
So usuthola umuntu.
Yeah. Hello. Is that Lee?
Umlungu.
Oh.
So okay, I know it's okay. Yabona I'm even smiling. Okhombisa ukuthi anginankinga.
Yes, okay.
Right.
Okay, fine.
Into engiyaziyo ukuthi at the end of the day umuntu ozogcina la kwena yimina. You can take your phone. It's okay. Me, I'm not worried.
Okay,
Me, I'm
Shlaz.
not worried. Congratulations, my brother. Ne, kodwa kuyaphela manje. Akuyaphela.
Can we close? We had no business looking at my wallpaper. I just wanted my phone.
It just came on. I was just taking out your phone. It came on. So ngabona that mnyama futhi njalo.
He's actually lighter than you. It's just a dark picture. It's just low exposure, okay?
Okay. No, it's okay. Guys, I'm not worried.
It's actually your complexion.
Complexion yami shoot out grand. I'm not worried. I'm not.
Oh, I love it. Okay, fine, Lums. Let's close the show.
At the end of the day, Lily, buga. Koni yogcina kimi wena.
It's an absolute wrap for me. My name is Lisa Serame. Follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _
Instagram, welcome _ Dlamini 88. It's Facebook, it's welcome Dlamini. On TikTok, it's welcome Dlamini. Bafethi family ku Facebook, ngiyabonga. Thank you so much, guys. Keep on supporting me, keep on following me. Danko ngiyabonga.
Danko!
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. Don't be and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary. Ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale tshino iqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale siqotha saka Jesu. Una mina ngibe step mother.
Yes.
Yes.